Hi, I'm Sabrina Shaheen Cronin, the founder of the Cronin Law Firm, where helping you is our passion. Today, I'd like to give you some advice to make it easier for your children during the school season. When kids are in school, there are a number of things that come up that may cause unnecessary stress and anxiety for everyone involved. We at the Cronin Law Firm are here to help bring some peace of mind to you. Parents often argue about what types of back-to-school items are included in child support, and the kids often feel the anxiety and get caught in the middle. Most importantly, never discuss these things in front of the children or put the burden on the kids to discuss these items with the parents. Never. If you can't talk civilly to one another, then text or email, but you must communicate if you have joint custody. If you don't share custody, it is my opinion that the other parent should be consulted with matters. But again, this is only my opinion. In looking at the best interest of the children, both parents owe it to their children to aim to do what is right as often as possible. You don't have to like the other person any longer, but you should still show some respect. After all, it was your decision to have a child with that person. Child support usually pays for the basic needs of the child: food, clothing, and shelter. And that being said, if your child needs lunch money and you happen to be the parent paying for child support, or worse, you are the one receiving support and did not budget accordingly, still give your child some money. Don't let them starve in school and then blame it on the other parent. Remember, keep in mind the bigger picture and never let your emotions get the better of you. Be reasonable. If you do end up paying for things like school lunches, backpacks, school supplies, etc., and you feel it should be a part of the support, well then keep a journal and keep receipts about what you have paid over and above the child support. Down the road, you may need this proof of payment. If you absolutely, though, don't need the money, don't nickel and dime the other parent, because this only builds up resentment. Don't hold this over anyone's head, especially your child's. Remember, the money you spend fighting over these issues in court will far outweigh the value of the items over which you're fighting. For the well-being of your child and for your peace of mind, don't fight over the little things. Let it all go. Keep in mind that the more often than not, try to do the right thing. Clothing is another major issue. Usually, parents split the costs of this, or they set a limit to be shared. School and sport uniforms can also be shared. Additionally, and typically, extracurricular activities are based upon an agreement between the parents. Usually, these items are shared costs and are not a part of the child support. These costs are above and beyond support. Again, there are exceptions to this, and if the parent wants a child to participate in an activity against the other party's wishes, I doubt that parent will pay for that activity. Overall, though, the approach is to be reasonable and think of your child first. And the same goes for transportation. Simply because you don't have parenting time on a night that your child has activities does not mean you shouldn't show up, or, if mutually agreed upon, help with the transportation. Try to help the other party out. Be the better person. Be the person you want that other person to be. Think of your children in all of this, and try to attend as many functions as possible. But if you do show up to those activities and the other parent is there, be respectful and don't make a scene. No one, especially your children, wants to see or feel any tension. Don't interfere with the other party's parenting time if you do attend a function that is not on your night. For instance, don't ask the children if they want to go for ice cream after the event without first checking with the other parent whose parenting time that is. And by all means, don't ever ask these things in front of the kids. Again, remember, you are affecting your children more than you know, and all they care about is seeing the parents at these events without any drama. If you can't keep yourself in check, then you have absolutely no business going to that event. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not rocket science. If you take a reasonable approach, you will have a much calmer life moving forward, and your children will be happier and well-adjusted. At the Cronin Law Firm, helping you is our passion. We aim to help you get the best result in life, which is far beyond the life of your case. We are passionate about helping you. We are your voice and your strength. And if you like what you learned today, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. We will be uploading content regularly. Thanks for watching.